Hello friends, welcome to today's session. Today we are going to look into the vowel sounds. I think in the previous video we looked at what are consonant sounds, and here we are going to discuss about what are vowel sounds. Vowel sounds are have two categories. One is pure vowel sounds and the other one is hmm, diphthongs, or the first one is otherwise called single vowel sounds or monophthongs. Okay, this happens in this when we pronounce monotones or vowel sounds. The lips and the tongue will assume one shape and one position. Okay, so when we pronounce a particular sound, okay, it both the lips and the tongue takes one shape and one position. That is why we call it as pure vowel sounds or single vowel sounds, because it happens at the same time. And there are, as I told you, there are two types of vowel sounds. They are, yeah, in pure vowels or single vowels, we have two types. They are called short vowels and long vowels. What is this short vowel? They have no colon and it looks like this. They take no colon, and it this one vowel sounds or consonant sounds, phonetic sounds are always marked between two slashes. Okay, and long vowel sounds or take colon as in o, ah. Okay, so let's go and look into them. Okay, what are the long vowel sounds? It takes colon, so it is e. So it is a long vowel sound, and it takes a colon, so it is a long vowel sound. So how many long vowel sound do we have? We have totally 5 long vowel sounds. Okay, so let's go and check them one by one. Okay, so here when you pronounce these sounds, okay, when you make these sounds, your lips and your mouth is little closed. Take for example, e, I, u, ooh, okay, the position of your lips is little closed, but here it is midway open. Okay, it is mid in between, it is widely open. Okay, and when you pronounce the first row, your tongue comes in front of your teeth, but when you pronounce these last one, your tongue is positioned at the back of your mouth, and here your tongue is in the midway of your mouth. Okay, so let's go and check how to pronounce each one of these words, sounds. I'm sorry, sounds. Okay, the first one is e. The first one is e as in sheep, me, e. Okay, and this is short e. Okay, it is, you'll have to cut this sound into two, e, eh. Okay, e, eh. And this one is oo sound as in ship, eh, as in ship. Observe the sound, you will find out, even though you find it very difficult to figure out the separate sound. If you carefully observe the words, you will find out, as in with, as in if. Okay, if. This one is ooh as in good, wood, good. Okay, it's not. This is ooh, this is ooh, this is ooh as in shoot, ooh as in shoot, goose. Okay, this one is a as in bed, a, bed, met. Okay, this one is a, this is a, this is a, teacher, father. Okay, above, 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 across. And this one is how to produce this sound from here, as in bird, word, her. And here this is o as in door, as in also, as in auto, as in orange, o. Okay, and this is a, as in cat. So you widely open your mouth. Cat and bat. This is up, as in us. Help. Sorry, up. Okay, and this one. Oh, this is oh, as in for, as in father. Okay, father. This is o, as in on, off. Okay, so this is long e, short e, short u, long u, e, o. This is long o and this is short o. O as in door. Okay, as in horse. This is short o, on, off. Okay, and this is a, and this is o, up. Okay, as in us. This is long as in father. Ask. Okay, let's go and look at the examples given. Okay, e, short e, fit, sit, bit, a as in wet, scent, red, a as in pat, sat, man, or as in for, caw, park. Okay, short o as in coat, odd, job. Okay, and this is long o, door, saw, ball, fall. Okay, this is short u, o, put, book, good. Okay, this is long u, fool, shoe, do. Okay, and this is cut, sun. Okay, this is as in bird, work, first, as in advice, better, doctor. Okay, and when you combine two vowel sounds together, it is called as diphthongs. What is a diphthong? Diphthong is a combination of two vowel sounds. What is the position of tongue and mouth? Tongue glides from one position to another within a second, and the lips will briskly change their shapes to realize the second vowel sound. Okay, this is ear, ear. Okay, e is a vowel sound, short e sound. A is a short sound. So they combine together to make one vowel sound. Okay, ear as in air, ear as in ear, see, me. Okay, ua as in you, poor, sure. This is air as in air, there, hair. This is a. This is sorry. Okay, 1 minute. A as in eight, stay, age. This is oi as in boy, oil, coin. This is I as in high, sky, buy. Okay, this is ow as in ouch, how, loud. This is oh as in no, low, show. Okay, so this is for today's session. If you have any doubt, you can ask me and you can come back to me. I will just